Tonight, we are all afraid. There have been 2 murders.
In A Haunting in Venice, we take the bones of Agatha Christie's mystery, the book called Halloween Party, and put it into Venice with all of these wonderful actors to create the perfect haunting mystery.
It was very exciting to be a part of this ongoing film legacy of these stories.
And action.
My character is loosely based on Agatha Christie.
Poirot, I've found something. She's a spiritualist. Come with me to the Halloween party. We're invited to a seance.
It's a treat to be in the Agatha Christie world, and everyone's really supportive, and we all come together and the cameras are all up. I love that. I love the theatrical side of it.
In doing the scenes, Ken brought everyone together as an ensemble. It's very collaborative. The whole group had to be very dramatic with different nuances. Is someone there?
Murderer! What is happening?
With Ken directing, he's very good. He gets everyone together and we all just talk. These team bonding exercises, and just creates this real sense of a unit and a company of actors, and we're all in this together.
This is the beauty of having a big ensemble. Just have this connection and this shared experience.
If I'm trapped here, so are you.
All of these wonderful actors provide a humanity that is very touching and very haunting, all of which confuses you, and you are in quite the conundrum as to who done it.
For once in your life, admit that you are up against something bigger than you.
Directed by Kenneth Branagh.